Hi guys, come and take a look around Rutland Road with me. This is a fabulous 6 double bedroom terrace property located deep within the tree-lined streets of Ellesmere Park. Just a short walk from Salford Royal Hospital and equally served by fantastic transport links, both public and your motorway links, just a stone's throw from where the property is. Now, this fantastic family home comes complete with 6 double bedrooms. As I mentioned, we've got 2 really spacious family lounges, accompanied by an open plan kitchen dining space to the rear of the property. Now, we've got a 4-chamber cellar alongside the laundry room and the boiler room within the basement area. And then over the upper floors, the 6 bedrooms and 4 baths, 2 of which are en suites, are located. Got a lovely private rear garden, low maintenance artificial lawn where the hot tub is homed. It's a fantastic family property ready for the next family of mixed generations to move straight into. Now, as you can see from what we have seen so far, the standard is absolutely impressive throughout. And the vendors have done a lot of work in the time in which they've been there, since 2014. But quite recently, in the last 2 years, we've had this fabulous Wren fitted kitchen installed. All the bathrooms have been modernised and updated, and the carpets have literally just been laid within the last few weeks. So to the left here is the 4-chamber cellar. However, we're just going to have a look around this spacious laundry room, and the boiler room is off here also. There is additional access to the rear garden. However, those stairs off that kitchen have been added, so you do have easier access out onto that rear garden. Beautiful original features throughout this stunning home, as you can see. And we'll head up to the first, where you will find 3 of the 6 double bedrooms. This accompanied by an absolutely stunning shower room. Look at this impressive master bedroom. There's space in here, plenty of space there around that super king size bed. This absolutely beautiful shower room. And then on through once again to your second double on the first floor. Endless amounts of space in there. Now, just behind me is a 3rd double bedroom. This then complete with an ensuite bathroom with a deceptively spacious tub there, as you can see. This bathroom recently modernised also, and plenty of space in here once again for a double bed alongside further furnishings. And then lastly, heading up to the final floor, and as you can see off this landing space, there is equally further storage up in the loft ahead of us. So the office here / 6th bedroom, whichever way in which you choose to use it. And then the family bathroom accompanying these 2 bedrooms here. And lastly, the 3rd again of the doubles, complete with its own ensuite bathroom. Now, property located well within Ellesmere Park, as I mentioned. You have loads of amenities, all of which are just a short walk from the property. You've got outstanding schools, which are highly sought after, really well connected in regards to the transport links. Give us a call to get your viewing booked in now.